New chair appointed to lead CHSA into next phase. Like, comment and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. The Cleaning Hygiene Suppliers Association, CHSA, has appointed Nick Thompson as its new chair effective from the 1st of May 2026. This appointment marks the first time the association has committed to a permanent chair, transitioning from a voluntary leadership model. Thompson succeeds Lorcan Mekatarian, who has served for 7 years and is credited with strengthening the CHSA's reputation for transparency and rigorous accreditation. Nick Thompson brings extensive industry expertise, having previously held senior leadership roles at major organizations including Sodexo and Royal Mail Group. As an advisor in the facilities management and business support space, Thompson is positioned to lead the CHSA through its next phase of evolution. In his first 100 days, the new chair will meet with members to understand their priorities and ensure the association continues to represent their interests effectively. The CHSA remains the industry watchdog, overseeing accreditation schemes for manufacturers and distributors to guarantee product quality and quantity. All members must adhere to a strict code of practice, which now includes compliance with the CMA's Green Claims Code to prevent greenwashing. Nick Thompson, chair of the Cleaning and Hygiene Suppliers Association, said, "The association and its accreditation schemes are important to maintaining standards in the industry. I am looking forward to representing members' interests as we evolve and continue to strengthen the rigor of the schemes and the value of membership." To learn more, read the full article in our People category. Read more at TWinFM.com.